So here I have an IPLP camera pointed through a corridor with low light and a license plate at the end. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you how to effectively maximize the license plate capture on this camera, in particular an Elite IPLP. Go ahead and select Settings, select Conditions. You have a little image on the left-hand side. You can see what's happening. And let's make sure that we have the profile set to night. That way all the settings only correlate to the night mode. Let's go ahead and click Exposure. You have some settings here for anti-flicker. Anti-flicker is basically you have rolling lines from any lighting inside of your building. In some cases, outdoors. 50 hertz is for Europe. 60 hertz is for the U.S. So let's go ahead and default this. These are the defaults in here. Leave outdoor set there, then select manual to properly have your shutter speed set manually. This is basically the amount of lighting that's going to come into the camera's image sensor. Here, let's go ahead and select backlight, and this is where some settings you're going to play back and forth. Backlight compensation, that's for tail lights. Headlight compensation, of course, is the headlights. And then WDR, that's used for the camera that's inside and is facing outdoors, either through a window or a door. You can actually see through it instead of getting a glare. You can see here what we've set so far. You can see the license plate. Let's go ahead and back into settings. And let's go ahead and change the exposure. You can see what it changes if we actually go down to a few different ones here. 4000, and then so on and so forth. You can see the image capturing more lighting and less lighting, and so on and so forth. Now you have other settings here, which is white balance. So you have day and night, and then IR light. This is the other setting that you want to play with. Now it all depends. You want to turn off your infrared for night mode. It all depends on the type of environment you're in. If you have a lot of lighting, you can turn it off. If you have a situation where you have snow and so on and so forth, you can actually get IR bounce back from the snow and then other reflective surfaces. So you can play with having IR on or off. And that's basically how you would maximize the effectiveness of a license plate capture, just by setting all those settings one by one and playing around with it. If you have any questions, just feel free to give us a call at 866-573-8878. And sales option 2, tech support is option 3. Thank you.